in China from 700 years ago. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Chinese Muslim from China. Today we are in Ningxia province visiting a really special mosque called Tongxing Masjid. Let's go inside. This is called the Zhaobi. It's a kind of Chinese traditional thing. Let's go inside. Basically it's just a wall. And you see that painting on the wall. It's a very special technique from the Hezhou. See that paintings. Now it still exists, this kind of technique. So beautiful, yeah? This is the entrance. It's very unique. I bet you can never see anything like this outside China. It's like Chinese castle. That is the minaret. Can you see that? This is the entrance. See that? It's like a Chinese castle. We go inside to a Chinese castle, 7 meters long. And then in front of us, it's the stairs. Stairs is the 7 meters high. Let's go inside. Now it's the Zohor time. Yeah, we just did the wudu. It's the wudu place. You see that? This is the tangpi. It's very traditional Chinese Muslim thing. We use this for wudu. The other side of the minaret. Spectacular. And this building, it's the prayer hall. It can accommodate 800 people to pray inside. And this is the ancient tree from 106 years ago. It's the goji-berry tree. I think everyone knows the goji-berry, yeah? It's a superfood from China, especially good for man. We go inside. Wow, it's really traditional Chinese style. See that? That building is the imam, where imam live. This building is the students, the madrasa. We call it manla. This is the prayer hall. Let's go inside. Yeah. You see that roof? It's so special. The wooden roof. All the paintings there. Yeah. When Chinese culture meets Islamic culture, wow, it's just stunning. Yeah. And here, see all the paintings. It's from the Qing dynasty. That one, you see that? It's very special. It's really beautiful. And that one, this is the timetable for 5 prayers. Let's go inside. I think you never see this kind of style outside China. Yes, we have plenty of this kind of masjid in China. If you want to know more about the Chinese Muslim culture and food, please follow me. See you. One of the most ancient masjid in China from 700 years ago. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Chinese Muslim from China. Today we are in Ningxia province visiting a really special mosque.